Hey guys, what is going on, and welcome back to another video. Now today I'm going to be working on the Miata again. Got two major things I want to take care of. The first one is I've got to fix the leak from the heater core hoses. I believe it's just the connection point where the hose goes into the firewall from the heater core and then out and then into the engines. I'm going to be replacing one of those hoses, the one that's leaking, and then the other thing I want to do is change over the diff from the donor car to this car. So I'll have to remove this one first and then take out that one, but it's on the trailer, so it's going to be a little bit tricky, but we'll see how it goes. Alright, so I finished pulling the old hose off. So now I've got this new hose here, and I've got different hose clamps, ones that I can actually tighten down, not like this OEM style. I think part of it, the reason I got the leak was because the OEM one had gotten weak over time, and also because the hose was old and brittle. It wasn't flexing like it needed to go around the pipe. So I'm gonna go ahead and shove this on here, and then I've got to take care of this distributor case because it's cracked. One of the mounting holes is cracked off, which is awesome. Alright, so I'm going to start it up and see if it leaks. Fingers crossed it doesn't. Alright, so motor's been running for a little while now. Pretty sure I got all the bubbles out of the radiator. No leaking up here near the firewall. And in here, all seems to be good. The temperature is sitting right where it needs to. It's a little cool, so I'm pretty happy with that. I'm gonna go ahead and call it good. Get the car turned around so I can start swapping the diffs over. I got the differential out of the donor car. It got super dark and was really hard to film, and plus with all the rusty nuts and bolts that was holding everything in, it was really difficult, so I just kind of quit filming. But it is out now, so now what I can do is go ahead and put the limited slip into the car. That's the next thing, and then the open diff is just off to the side, so I'm good to go. Got all my hardware here, all my tools, so should be pretty straightforward about putting it back in. It's going to be kind of a pain to line things up, but I should be able to get it in without too many hiccups, so I'm going to go ahead and get started. So the differential is back in, everything's hooked up, torqued down. So now it's time for a test drive. Alright, so I'm sitting here at this stop sign and everything is running great. The car isn't overheating at all, and I'm about to test out the differential. So let's see how that goes. Alrighty, well it survived its drive. It did pretty well. The limited slip differential works okay. Can't tell if it's just lack of power or any number of things, but it seems to be working okay, so I'm happy with that. Yeah, it didn't overheat or anything. It drives really nicely. It's really smooth. Sounds pretty good. So now what I gotta do is drive it during the day so you guys can see, because every time I happen to get done, it's always super late. Alrighty, well, I managed to get two very important things done today, and I'm pretty happy with how the car performed. So, you know, it's doing its job for a super cheap car. So, anyways, that is going to do it for this video. Thank you guys very much for watching. If you guys enjoyed it, make sure you guys give the video a thumbs up. I'd really appreciate it. Also, if you guys have any comments, questions, or suggestions, make sure you guys leave a comment in the comment section down below. Also, if you guys have not already, make sure you guys subscribe to my channel and click that little notification bell. That way you guys don't miss out on videos when they come out, so you can always stay up to date. Say bye, Milo. Say bye. Alright, I will see you guys in the next video. Have an awesome day.